bread and butter project is Australia's first social enterprise, artisan bakery. So we train refugees and asylum seekers in the art of baking.
I came from Iraq. I wasn't really thinking about it to be a baker, but when I came as a training here, I really like it. So that's why I became baker.
Because we do 5,500 units a day, so we need great labour, and the people that we trained are terrific.
I want to prove myself and prove my skills in it, and maybe like in future, like helping this company to have like my little shop and order like bread from them and sell it to people.
The hospitality sector was probably the most heavily affected sector by the coronavirus social distancing restrictions. April, we suspect sales are going to be down something like 70%.
So we've been very, very fortunate to retain all of our employees over 50, which is a great credit to Westpac Foundation. We were due to get a donation later in the year, and Westpac Foundation very kindly gave us that donation earlier. On top of that, the JobKeeper subsidies have been extraordinarily helpful, as well as the retail pivot. So pre-COVID, over 260 customers, mostly cafes, restaurants and corporate locations, and a little bit of retail. Now with COVID, we have had a dramatic decline. We've been very fortunate to be able to ramp up our retail sales. So mostly through Woolworths Metro, we're in 14 store locations, and we've increased also through Harris Farm.
It's not as desperate as the outright ban that was in place through April. So there is some prospect of reopening, but it's going to be a really tough road ahead, I think, for the hospitality sector.
So I would say tight leadership team, clear priorities, and plan for the future as well as the present. Because again, we're not going to be in this situation forever.